This is a short message from the Bristol Street Motors Aftercare Accident Team. Thank you very much for purchasing your vehicle from Bristol Street Motors. We wish you many miles of safe and enjoyable driving. While we hope that you never have to use our service, unfortunately, sometimes accidents do happen, and that's when we'll be here to help. So, if you ever find yourself involved in an accident, please just give us a call on 0330 1088 902. We'll ensure your vehicle is brought straight in for assessment at one of our body shops, which are all fully manufacturer approved. Then, our expert factory-trained technicians will carry out the required repairs to the highest standards and get you back on the road as quickly as possible. If the accident wasn't your fault, we may also be able to provide you with a like-for-like hire vehicle for the duration of your repair. Just take a note of our number on screen now, 0330 1088 902, or scan the QR code and it should open in your phone with our details so you can easily save us as a contact. Then we'll be here if you need us. Thanks for listening and enjoy your new vehicle.